So we are ready for our next lesson, which is pen and ink drawing. As you can see in front of me, I have all kind of pens with me. I have Posca pens, I have brush pens, I have fine tip markers. So all you need for today's class is color pencils, pens, but if you wish to do some painting, you can definitely do it. Ali, which one do you like the most?
Markers!
Okay, fantastic. So let's start with our lesson. So Ali, what you want to learn first? What food item you want to draw first?
Cake!
Because this last month was your birthday, right?
Yes!
So let's learn how to draw a cake on a plate. So the first thing what you need to do, you need to start drawing a rectangle shape. Excellent. And after the rectangle, because we want to show the cake is on the table, we can make it on the plate.
Yeah.
So let's do it on the plate and we will make a curved oval shape. Excellent. And that's it. Our cake is ready. If you want to make a fancy plate, you can just make some curved lines, scallops, but try to keep it more horizontal, okay? If you want, you can add some candles with another rectangle. So mainly in this drawing, we have used rectangle and ovals. Now the next drawing, what you want to do?
Ice cream!
We will make ice cream in a fancy glass. So let's first make, I will tell you one very quick and easy tip. We will first make a fancy glass. And then with the help of brush pens, we can make look like it's a ice cream. Because it's a fancy one, so we will definitely give a nice fancy bottom. But it's your choice how you want to do it. If you want to change, you can do it. Let me try one more fancy cup. Let's make some scallops. Bring it down. And you can simply make a triangle. So now we have two different cups for ice cream.
Mama, but where is the ice cream?
Oh, that's a trick. When we will finish our sketching, we will use some sketch pen and then I'm going to show you how we are giving the effect of the ice cream. Now, what next you want to do it?
Tea!
You want to drink tea in this summer?
Yeah.
Or maybe a cold tea?
Iced tea!
Iced tea. So let's make a teacup first. Draw an oval. And then rounded triangle. And the way we did the plate for this, we are going to make the saucer for our teacup. Let me show you how to draw a mug also. So you can make your Nesquik in that mug. Brush pens, and in this brush pen you can see one side is like a brush and the other side is like a fine tip pen. So if I need to do any kind of a detail work, I can do this. But first I will use the brush pens to add the colors in my food items, and then I will use my black pointer to complete my drawing. So Ali, what flavor you want to make your ice cream?
Blueberry.
Okay, I will do the strawberry. So the first thing, before we will make this video in time lapse, let's explain everyone that first thing what you need to do, you need to visualize that how my ice cream look like in a glass. So I will first make as a circle, and I want my ice cream to be all the way till the end.
Wait, so this is gonna be glass and then a small.
Yes, it will be like a glass and then transparent one. So then we can see our ice cream all the way down. When you are using the brush pen, try not to press it super hard. Try to use it like you are brushing and you are painting on the paper. After you finish with this, you will take the black pen or a black pointer. If you don't have a black pen or a black pointer, you can also use black pencil. I'm using 0.8 black pointer and going on top of my pencil line. If you want, you can also use the thick one. Outline it, and let's bring all these lines in front of it. Now, does it look like an ice cream in a cup?
Yeah.
Or in a glass?
Yeah.
So here we are done. Let's remove the tape because we add the tape to create a nice border. So here I have removed the tape, and this is a perfect lesson at home where you don't need a lot of supplies and just pencil and markers will work.